Hey everybody, this is a quick video on how to add storage to your bedroom. I had a bed I made with my own hands and I wanted under the bed storage. So I made some cabinets and I did it the easy way. Got some casters, some nails, some wood glue, and some handles. And I got the boards from Lowe's and I didn't even have to cut them. They come in various sizes. These are like the ones you would use for shelves. I just had them placed together carefully, put the glue on, and joined the two boxes that I made. You see that? So I glued it, and then I each one of my I had to put the casters on, and I then joined them with glue between, and then went through with the screws, and that's where they join together. Of course, you're going to measure this, and I wanted it the length from the foot of the bed to the head of the bed, so they would go. I would have storage from the head to the foot, and those are the screws. Just make sure they're not too long. And you see, that's the whole thing right there, pretty much. I had to add some more casters, and I have to finish making it pretty and everything. But I had to put the primer on and everything. And I placed this bracket on the end there just so that it's flush with the bed. I didn't have to use rails or anything. I just did it that way. I'm not a carpenter, but I have now storage underneath the bed from foot to head, and it goes the whole length of the bed, and it's flush and it's neat. I just have to make it nice looking, sand it, all that good stuff. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Can you dig it? Be blessed.